Age range. Recommended for toddlers and kids ages 3 to 6. Ideal size. Assembled table dimensions, 23.5 inches WX 23.5 inches DX 19.625 inches H. Assembled chair dimensions, 10 inches WX 11.5 inches D by 20 inches H. Weight limit. Each chair holds up to 50 pounds. Quality craftsmanship. This kids' table and chair set is built from sturdy wood. Extremely safe. Meets or exceeds all national safety standards and CPSC regulations. Legs include rubber feet to protect floors. Top reviews from the United States. Very good quality. Ordered this table and it arrived shortly after. I was able to assemble it myself with a screwdriver. Pretty easy. Once put together, it's very strong and sturdy. Very nice, thick wood. Not cheap wood that will fall apart in a month. This will last a long time. It's very nice looking and appealing to the eye. My 1-year-old and 3-year-old sit at this table every day for mealtime. They love it and it's the perfect height for them. I wipe it down with cleaning spray and a microfiber towel.